What's the meaning of central reservation? Central reservation. Central reservation.
Central reservation. Central reservation. The term central reservation refers to a raised divider, typically made of concrete or metal, that separates opposing lanes of traffic on a multi-lane roadway. The purpose of the central reservation is to prevent head-on collisions and promote safety by keeping vehicles in their designated lanes. In addition to providing a physical barrier between traffic flow, the central reservation may also include landscaping, lighting, and other design elements to enhance the aesthetic appeal of the roadway. Overall, the central reservation plays a critical role in maintaining safe and efficient traffic flow on modern highways and expressways.